you're doing great. In this quick video, I just want to share with you how you can create a dental Facebook ad campaign. And so if you're a dentist and you want to handle your own marketing and run your own ads, then I want to share with you exactly how you can do that. And so the first step is you need to have an ad account. And if you don't have one already, then you can just go to business.facebook.com and create a business manager account. And from there, you'll be able to create an ad account. But once you have that, you just want to go press create. And from here, leads is usually the best option for dental ad campaigns because I assume you want leads and inquiries. Just press continue and you can name your campaign, right? So you can name it whatever. And there's really not too much to do at this step. Campaigns are broken down into three sort of different subsets. So there's the campaign level, and then there's the ad set level, which is to do with targeting and sort of budget and placement, ad placement. And then the third level is the actual ad level where you can select the headline and photo and video and whatnot. But yeah, so in the second step, in the ad set level, whatever, you can accept their terms. And then you can toggle dynamic created on and off. And what this basically means is in the next step, you can have multiple different images and headlines and text, and Facebook will mix and match based on who they think will, or what they think will work and who will like what. But yeah, you can leave it off too. It's not a problem. For budget, you can set your own budget, whatever you want to spend on a daily basis. And then just create your audience. And so right here is where you can sort of target, because we don't want to target to just whoever, right? It would be close to your clinic. So let's imagine your clinic's located in New York. Just enter your clinic address, and then you can set the mile radius here. So we usually like to go just 10 miles, right? Just nearby the clinic, not too far. And then here's the age. You can select the age. Detailed targeting. So, for example, like some people are interested in hygiene. You can put in hygiene cleaning if that's what you're offering, that's what you're advertising. But yeah, we usually don't like to target too much because it just narrows the audience and we tend to get worse results. But yeah, once you have your audience created, the next step is just placements. And so you can leave the Advantage Plus placements on. It is recommended, and so that's just Facebook will decide where it wants to show your ads and in how much spend on each placement. So maybe they want to show it more on Instagram stories versus their audience network or versus Facebook feeds. But if you did want to control, where your ads are shown, you can select, for example, just Instagram or just Facebook, or just stories as well. But yeah, once you've selected that, you can go to the next level, which is just the ad level. And here you can connect your Instagram account. Create, and then here upload your image or video, whichever one you're using. So for this example, it's whatever this test account has, which is just our logo. Okay. Yeah, here's the text. So I'm sure you've seen Facebook ads all the time, and this is really what the this is where you write the copy and so here it's showing Instagram feeds. But let me just show you. Oh, because we only have Instagram feed selected. So so this is what it's showing here. But if you had Facebook feed selected as well, then it would show you a Facebook preview over here. And then destination. And so here it's if you were directing traffic to a landing page, then you can enter the landing page URL right here. But because we selected lead forms, you can create your lead form. And so you can name your lead form, and then you can have an intro here of whatever headline you want. So if you want people to sign up for a free Invisalign consult, you can write that here. You can add additional questions. So like maybe you want to ask about their budget or specifically what they're looking for. You can add those questions right here. Gives you option multiple choice or short answer, or conditional, which are like logic-based questions. Next step is privacy policy, and then the message for leads is, or I guess we skipped one part, which is Under questions, you can also add the contact information you want. So if you want, we'd recommend getting the phone number as well. So you can just add that there. And then the message for leads is once they're done with all that, they put in their details. This is just the thank you page basically. And so then you can just hit publish, and then you'll have created your form. Okay, I mean you actually have to do it. But once you're done creating the form, that's basically where Facebook will take you to. So I just wanna just show you the what it looks like on Facebook. So yeah, this is you can see the preview right here. And once you click on, and when someone clicks on the ad, they'll get taken to the lead form that you just created, and then they'll hit submit. And then yeah, basically you're all done. So once, and I guess we skipped the headline step. And so whatever your offer is, that's usually what we would recommend putting in the as the headline, right? You can put other stuff too. Sometimes it performs better, sometimes worse. But yeah, once you have your offer in place, you can just put that as the headline. And yeah, just hit publish, and then you're basically all done. And then when someone does click on, or when someone does fill out your lead form, you'll be able to log into your account and then just see the results. You go to the ad, and then under results, it'll Facebook leads, or on Facebook leads, and then you'll be able to click download. You'll be able to see their information in an Excel file, their name, detail, or email, phone number, and any questions they've answered. And yeah, that's basically the simplest and fastest way to launch a Facebook ad campaign. Usually what we like to do is connect the lead forms to a CRM, and so all their details are sent to a CRM, and we can easily manage leads over there. But again, you don't have to do that. So hopefully this video was helpful, and you're now able to create a Facebook ad campaign. And of course, a lot of the magic and expertise of a marketer does come into play, and then the last step, which is actually creating the ads. Knowing what copy to use in headlines. Um, but yeah, overall the process is not too complicated. And so if this video was helpful, or you have any questions about the technicalities, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, have a great day.